How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, a very triple welcome to you. So guys, it's DIY time. I know it's been a long time and I decided to do a little DIY. I'm going to upgrade or revamp a pair of old shoes of mine. These shoes actually initially they had crystals on them that just got tarnished and looked terrible because it turned all green. Then I ended up using some white feathers and I embellished it with white feathers, and then I got bored of it and I removed the feathers. So now we're going to do something else. So you will need a glue gun, of course, any type of glue gun. It does not matter which type, guys, as long as it does the job. You will also need some acrylic paint. In this case, I'm going to use gold paint just to paint over the top part of the shoe. Then I got these lace embellishments, lace at my local fabric store. I got 3 types, so I'll probably use the ones that is a little bit more durable since it is shoes. Then you will also need, of course, a paintbrush to paint on the paint, preferably a smaller one. Then you will need a scissors, of course, to cut, You will need some glue sticks with your glue gun as well. And then you will also probably need a candle. So I'm starting off, guys, just by painting the whole shoe on the top with that gold paint. And I'm making sure, that I go into every crease and lines, and because it's not smooth on top, guys, as you can see, it's quite textured because I embellished them with white fluffy feathers before. So I used some glue. I tried to remove everything, but I couldn't. But I don't mind, it actually looks nice when it's textured like this. So just painting the shoes, I'm continuing to just paint the one and then the other, and then I'll just put them outside for about 10 minutes just to dry before I go over to the next step. So this is just what they ended up looking like, guys. So now I'm just playing around with the lace, guys, just to see, where exactly I would want to attach them with the glue. So just to check the design, and I'm thinking of something like this. I think it will look very, very nice. And I just wanted to show you a close-up. You'll see that I'm not going too far off the shoe with those points of the lace, because if you do that, it will end up folding in or outwards, which will not be nice. So that's the reason why I'm actually showing you this, so that you can just keep that in consideration when you do something like this. So now we're starting to glue everything on, and you will see that I started in the middle first. So I attached the middle part first, and then I worked my way to the sides of the shoe. And you just have to maneuver it, because you will have to put your hand inside of the shoe and just to let it stand up, so that you are sure that you are attaching the lace parts in a nice shape, so that it will be able to flow with the shape of the shoe. And guys, you will see me leaving a lot of lace at the ends to play with. This is just to have enough to make sure that when I do the tidying up, there isn't too little lace to play with when I tidy up the edges or the ends of the shoe. And always remember to use your candle, you know, just to secure the edges of the lace. So guys, here I've just cut a little piece off and also secured the edges with the candle, just, you know, to get a kind of a design to close that side part of the shoe with the lace as well, to cover it as well. So I'm just playing around with it to figure out how I am going to, you know, manage to get that tidied up at the end. So I'll fold this part in, and then I'll also fold the second part in, and I'll just attach it with some glue. So there you have it, very nice and neatly done. And that's just the other side of the shoe as well. Okay, so that's the front part of the shoe done. It looks very nice, guys. So now we're gonna do the top part, and as before, I'm gonna start with the middle. So I'll start gluing in the middle and then work my way to the sides of the shoe. And guys, also just be careful with the glue as well, because it is hot. I kind of burned myself a few times, but I found that it works well if you press, you know, the shoe from the inside and then on top of the lace. It helps a bit so that you don't, you know, burn yourself. Okay, and then first one done, over to the second one. Of course, we will follow the exact same process, laying down the lace first before we start gluing, making sure that you start from the middle of the shoe and then work your way to the outsides. And there we have both of them, guys. They are done. And I think they turned out beautiful, guys. I'm just gonna do a little walk for you. Look at them, guys. They are so adorable. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Click that notification bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.